Hi everybody, thanks for stopping by my channel Works For Me. Today I'm going to take you on a tour of my laundry room. It's actually more than a laundry room. We had to fit an eating space for my dog, and we had to fit some area for me to put office supplies and my laptop computer. And then we also, of course, besides doing laundry, needed to store our cleaning supplies. So let me take you around and show you how we were able to be creative, and maybe these things will inspire you too to make use out of a small to medium space laundry room. Here we go. So as we walk into this space, the first thing you're going to see is my dog's water and food bowls. And I'm a big fan of anything that's on wheels. Let me turn the light on here. This dog food container is on wheels. We have back stock of dog food in another closet, but this holds enough for a good, I'd say, a couple weeks. And I discovered that instead of using a regular dog mat, a cat litter mat works so much better to catch the water and keep it contained and to not have it get moldy underneath. It works perfectly. In this drawer here, in this cupboard here, you'll notice I have his salmon oil. So we can just bring the food bowl right up to it and squirt that in there without ever having to take it out. That can be kind of messy if you have to pick it up all the time. And now the rest of this cupboard is committed to office space. So this cord right here is actually my computer's charging cord, and I was able to clip it to the outskirts of this countertop by using some command hooks that are meant for outdoor lights. It works really well. I just have it strapped all the way along here. I only had to use 4 hooks. They're removable. And you can see this wire comes right around in here. And so I have a docking station, so to speak, for my computer. And then behind my computer I have some documents that I'm working on throughout the week. Our money box here. And then up here are our working files that I use on a regular basis, along with our household binder, and I will go over that in another video, but I have in here all kinds of good things for us to refer to often, like my husband's call schedule and our passwords and our maintenance phone numbers and things like that. And then over here are greeting cards, and I actually have on order a special greeting card organizer box, but for right now that works pretty well. This drawer right here are all the office supplies I need on a regular basis for paying bills and you know, what have you. I've even got my little tripod in here for projects that I'm doing like right now, and pens and all that. I used to have this drawer looking a little different. You don't have to use these fancy containers. I paid about $8 for this set of aqua colored containers. But you can use old stationery boxes and gift boxes, and I'll show you a picture of that now of how I used to have this drawer. And then this other drawer is just our general junk drawer. I've had these little containers for a long time. I got these as a kit and I can't remember where. Everybody needs a junk drawer, but you still need to find things in your junk drawer. Up here I still have room on this bottom shelf, but on this shelf right here are wipes for glasses, and then in that container is batteries, and in that container is more command hooks and 3M stuff. And it looks like I need to write with chalk on those one more time because it doesn't show on the video very well. Since we're doing cupboards, let me take you to this other cupboard here. This is where I put all of our cleaning supplies. And even though it looks like there's a lot there, there's a system. The back shelf where I have to reach more is back stock of things that I refill. These containers here are very easy to pull out for small things that I don't want to get mixed up and lost. And then the cleaning supplies on this side and this side I go to regularly. And you'll see here I was able to make use of some more command hooks to hang our window cleaning instruments here and here. I love command hooks. In this cupboard here, under our sink, are some back stock of some laundry detergent and bleach and some extra tubs here for washing things. This bucket is really cool because I take this around to our several toilets in the house and I'm able to clean the bathrooms all in one sweep. And then in this cupboard, laundry detergents and everything to do with laundry. Dryer sheets and dryer balls and all that. Now this is the thing I like the best about our laundry room. We weren't able to have a closet in here, and so we installed this pole. It's just a metal closet rod. A tension rod would have not been strong enough here. And we're able to hang clothes that need to be dried on a hanger. Or once they come out of a dryer, hang them up so they don't get wrinkled. And then this, I purchased actually at Aldi a couple years ago. This drying rack works really well because I can hang it right from that rod and put things on here like sweaters that I don't want to get stretched and delicate items. And then we have a stackable washer and dryer here. Up in that cupboard, I don't hardly ever get up there, but I did put an extra case of toilet paper because you never know when they're gonna stop selling that, as we've all discovered recently. And then you'll notice here I have a basket of unfolded clothes, but I have room for it, which is awesome. I don't have to worry about spreading that out into the kitchen. And then this extra bucket here is for delicate items, but what I like that works really, really well in this room is this 3-part laundry sorter. These things each come out, and everybody knows that you put whites in one and light colors in one and darks in another, so my family can come and throw things in here when they need to, and so can I. And we can move it out of the way. Again, big fan of things on wheels, especially in a small space, so you can easily move things around to walk. One thing I didn't explain is these extra rugs here. I don't prefer to have all these rugs, but my dog does slobber after he drinks, and I want to protect our wood floor. And then the last thing I wanted to show you on the wall is our grocery list. And I will go over that in detail in another video. But everybody's able to write items that we're out of on there, so we can more easily keep track and I don't forget things when I go. So there you have it. Our wonderful small to medium size functioning laundry room.